everyone, welcome back to another video. And in today's video we have this Dodge Durango, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how to install the taillight tints for the taillights and also the tints that covers this red section of the taillight. So this is how it looks before doing the installation, and this is how it looks after the installation. So the tint has PPF properties, which means it will protect the lenses from yellowing over time, as well as protect it from any small scratches or any road debris that may hit the lens. Link for the product will be provided below. But with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. These are the tools you need for the installation. So before we start with the installation, we need to make sure we prep the lens. So we're going to need two solutions in order to clean the taillight lenses. So our first solution is our Slip solution, which contains baby shampoo mixed with distilled water. And our second solution is Tack solution, which contains distilled water and then isopropyl alcohol. So we're going to use our Slip solution first and apply it onto the taillight lens. With the clean microfiber towel, make sure to remove any contaminants that the taillights may have. And then just flip your towel around and now use your Tack solution and spray it onto your towel. And with this one, the Tack solution helps remove any wax, oils, or any hard contaminants or coatings that the taillights may have. So we want the taillights not to have any contaminants. Okay, so we're going to start with this section here. So just apply Slip solution to the lens and Slip solution to the adhesive side of the film. And just make sure with the tint, align it on this edge first. And something to keep in mind, the tint only covers just this small portion of the taillight. Since this is already blacked out, it doesn't cover this section, it just covers just this clear part and the red reflectors here. So make sure you align it right on the edge. Double check, align here, top, bottom, should be good. And now all we need to do is just lift the film carefully, secure it with Tack solution here, spray it underneath and on top of the film. Grab your squeegee, make sure you're holding it, that way it doesn't move, and just tack it down. So once this is secured and you make sure that there's no more bubbles underneath the film, we're going to just do a light stretch. That way we're able to stretch the film, remove these small fingers and stretch it up to here. So it's not a big stretch that you need to do, it's just a light one. So just apply Slip solution underneath the film, that way we're able to do a light stretch. So just stretch it enough to where we remove most of the fingers and stretch it going this way. Make sure everything's being covered. It should stop like around here. So it's not going to go all the way to the taillight here. It's just going to stop around this section here. So hold it. Make sure to keep it aligned on the top, bottom. Spray Tack solution. And then with your squeegee, start tightening down. And that's pretty much it. Just make sure to clean off the tint to make sure you're not leaving any Slip solution underneath the film. Make sure to remove everything on the edges. And it should be good. And now we move on to this piece here. So now we're moving on to this piece here. So for the taillight, just apply Slip solution to the lens and to the adhesive side of the film. And same steps as how we did it on this end. Align the tint on the edge and everything else should just lay flat. Make sure once you align it, just align it on the top, around this curve, and we should be good. Now apply Tack solution underneath the film. So lift it carefully, spray it on top as well, and then hold it. Make sure to have everything aligned, should be good, and now tack it down. This one's pretty simple since the taillight is flat. You just need to make sure to remove all the solution that's underneath the film. So pretty easy installation. So now that we're done with this one, I'm going to show you guys how to do the lower section installation for the other taillight. Okay, so this is the installation for the tints that cover the lower section of the taillight. So just this red section here, the reflectors. So to start off, just apply Slip solution to the lens and Slip solution to the adhesive side of the film. And the same process that was done for the taillight, you would align it on this edge first, and everything else should just fall into place. Pretty simple. Now to anchor the film, that way it doesn't move as we're squeegeeing, just apply Tack solution underneath the film. And on top, hold it in position, grab your squeegee and just be careful tightening it down. And then just follow through with the rest of the install. Make sure everything stays aligned. And tack everything down. Remove all the solution that's underneath the film. And now we move on to this piece. Okay, so for this section, just apply slip solution to the lens and slip solution to the adhesive side of the film. Place the film, align it on the edge, tack it down, and remove all the solution underneath the film, and then you're done. So once you finish with the installation for the tail lights and for the lower section of the tail light, the last thing to do is to post heat the entire film. So to post heat, you're just going to grab your tack solution and apply it on top of the lens and apply it on the lower section of the tail light here that was installed. And you can use a heat gun or hair dryer and just apply heat throughout the entire tint. You can use the low setting when you're post heating the film, and you can also use the high setting. Just keep in mind, if you do use the high setting, just to keep a distance when applying heat, that way you don't accidentally burn the film. And then as you're post heating, you can use your microfiber towel to apply a little bit of pressure and help remove any solution that's on the edges. And you would just do the same for the lower section of the tail lights on this end here. So just apply heat and then microfiber towel to help remove the solution. So that concludes the installation video for the tail light tints and for the lower section of the tail light for the Dodge Durango. We hope that the video helped you guys out with the installation. Don't forget to drop a like on the video, make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell. That way you don't miss any of our upcoming installation videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys on the next one.